also some crash retrieval video footage taken in Chichester. There's me at the crash retrieval site. Just, there's another person here who's here at Probe.
That's two people here.
Yeah, no, there's me and another person here at Probe now. They're at this site, the crash retrieval footage. There's a shot down alien ship on the video footage. There's a group of reptilians on the video footage. There's a body, a small alien body. There's
what type of body?
it's filmed by an associate of ours who's connected to the SAS. It's filmed at Goodwood Hill in Chichester near Goodwood Airfield at night. He's filmed it from about a mile away. It's a series of hills.
It's very indistinct material.
Yeah.
It's not sort of there's the alien and what.
You can see, if you examine it closely and look at it, you can see that there's a group of beings that, if you can compare the other guy who's here at Probe, very tall, 6'3",
yeah,
that these group of aliens walk past him, and they're towering above him, they must be 8 foot tall on it, and they're carrying the body away. They're all walking.
Are they Velo?
They're reptilians,
yeah.
These creatures with horns. And you can make out the horns if you look closely, if you blow the video.
Are they stub horns or?
Not huge, just about here.
Short stubs?
Yeah, short stubs. And you can make it out in the video footage if you blow it up and keep stopping it, look closely, you can see the horns on the head. And they all walk in perfect sync together like robots, so they're all a collective. You can see that, you can see they're not walking human. And they carry the body back to their ship. You can see their ship on the left-hand side. You can see an object with a beam come in. And then there's the fire engine to the right, and the vehicles, that's where the SAS were. That's where I was, on the right-hand side. My friend who's a Probe and another two of our associates there stood in front of the ship